So welcome to the local command and start center. The reason I built this was because I was sick of using the Google start page. You can see here it's got passwords to my NAS's, Portainer, Uptime, Kuma, my Jellyfin server, ChatGPT, and Home Assistant. But the buttons are kind of limited. So I created my own start center. Now you can add a new button here by pressing Alt-N. And let's say I want to go to Yahoo. I can click here. Now I give it the address. Now when I click on it, Yahoo shows up. Now, let's say I want to edit it. I hit Alt-E. I can go here. Let's say I want to go to Google instead. I can go here, okay. And now we just go and now you'll see here, click. And now we can go to Google. Let's say I don't need this button anymore. I can press Alt-D and it'll ask me if I want to delete it. If I hit cancel, it keeps. If I want it gone, I hit the OK button and it's gone. Now, just for my own safety, folks, I'm going to go Alt-F2 here. I'm going to click on this, go Alt-F2, and I'm going to clear my CS Vault data because I don't want you seeing my passwords. So, we've also have a restore button and a download backup button. So if you like your buttons here and you want to make sure you keep a copy, you click download, and you'll see here, up here, you'll have the backup of the file of the entire setup. If we want to restore that, we can click on this button and then browse to the file, browse to the restore file, and restore it. If I want to change the wallpaper, I hit Alt-B, and I hit the background here, and boom, now I can change the background. Let's say I don't like how the background is sitting. I can hit the Alt key and then use the arrows. Click on here, hit Alt, and you can see how I can recenter the wallpaper however I see fit. And when I hit off the Alt button and stop moving the arrow keys, it locks it in. Now, if I want to restore that, I can go up, click on my download folders, and I can click on the restore, and boom. Now I'm back to the original wallpaper. Or, if I want, I can go to the short commands here, and I can go Alt F1, and it resets all the visuals completely, and now we've got a blank screen. See, but I like having a wallpaper, so I'm going to go Alt N. So I'm going to go Alt B here. I'm going to click on the screen, go Alt B. Oop, got to cancel here. You know, I'm just going to use the restore. It's a little easier. There. Now, let's say I'm going to clear my password vault just in case. And now we're going to upload. We're going to import a password vault. Boom. 10 passwords. Now, all these passwords are all fake. But now, if I want to browse that vault, here, I can click here. And when you see here, now you can see here, here's the site, bank.fake. Here's my username, password. I can copy those and then basically go into my, make a new window, copy everything over. It works flawlessly. I've tried it with my own passwords and it works great. Now, originally, like I said, this started as just something to basically allow me to do my search and have all my stuff for my ChatGPT, my router, be able to log onto my NAS's all from one page locally on my browser. Eventually, I'm going to make this a standalone program so it doesn't work in just a browser. It works the minute you start up, boom, you can click on this and it'll run in your tray. Or if you want, you can stick it on to, we'll set it up so that it's also available. Let's say you have a server, you can host this on your server. I'm quite proud of it. There's a couple more steps left. Here we'll go to my GitHub page. And you can see here. Here's the GitHub page. You can see it here. Command and Start Center. So basically go to, if you go to GitHub/onNight, it'll be there. I'll also post a link in the show notes. And basically you can see here, these are all the shortcuts. Now we've just finished stage 2. Stage 3 is a standalone desktop app with a framework. That's planned for stage 3. And then we're going to have it so that we can set it up so that it can be hosted on a Docker or any home lab. I'm quite proud of the work, and like I said, I've had help from Gemini and of course ChatGPT to do a lot of the scripting, but the ideas are my own, and they help bring it to fruition since I'm not a great coder. The original code was mine, but it was far less effective than this, so I'm quite proud of it. You're welcome to take a look, edit it, make changes. You can see here, here's a README file. Here's your license. If you click here, here's the standard software license we have for it. And here's the newest version, 1.3.6. Now, there is a slight bug in the new version. Whenever you export a save file, it'll up the version on you. That'll be changed in the next version, which will be 1.3.7. But I wanted to release this. At least you guys get a chance to look at it. And I want to thank you guys, and we'll see you real soon.